100,000 Kaspa set you in the elite tier. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to speak what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, and in the market cap, because as you can clearly see, today Kaspa is pumping, so we're gonna cover very interesting things in this video. Also, we will see the hash rate and what happened in the categories and in the top addresses since yesterday, and we will close the video with the technical side and also why 100,000 Kaspa coins will set you in the elite tier. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to inform you and educate you with the latest news around the Kaspa and around the crypto market. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video. And guys, I would like to speak for the price of Kaspa. That is today 3.1% up. Before a couple minutes it was above 4% up, and we saw an incredible rally. And that's because, guys, Bitcoin pumped very close to $28,000, something that I told you and I warned you yesterday, that Bitcoin is moving into a higher high position. It's an upturn movement, so I was expecting a really big pump from the Bitcoin price, and that was something that also would drive all the altcoins into the upside, because at this point Kaspa is under the war fad. Okay, the war fad didn't fade away. That's why Kaspa dropped that significantly. Okay, it didn't drop that significantly because the technical side, as many people believe, is false belief, to believe that Kaspa dropped because the technical side, because this symmetrical triangle. This is not correct, because we saw lots of guys with different approaches than the Kaspa devs sold all their Kaspa bags, okay? And also, obviously, the paper hands sold, as always, and traders were opening big short positions, and they got also successful because the fundamentals, not because the technicals. This is why I always tell you, guys, rely in fundamentals and not in technicals, because for a project like Kaspa, which is a community-driven project and is backed from diamond hands, you're gonna get wrecked, absolutely. Because no matter if you have the most bearish pattern, the most bearish chart, if we're gonna see tomorrow an exchange listing, the price will pump, okay? That's why I always tell you, please rely more in fundamentals, okay? Especially for Kaspa. And guys, as you can clearly see, immediately with this 3% to 4% up, we have ranked 44. Okay, it's a matter of time to see Kaspa under ranked 40. I believe when the war fad will fade away completely, and actually Bitcoin will pump even more, or we will see any exchange listing from the Kaspa side. And especially if this exchange will be big exchange, Kaspa will pump like crazy, okay? Mark my words for that. The next pump of Kaspa, the next new all-time highs is gonna be like from 6 cents up to 0.075 cents. Depends. Okay, so that's gonna set immediately Kaspa under rank 40. I believe we will see rank 40, rank 39, and we're gonna move like that. And as you can clearly see, yesterday we had 900 million market cap. Today the market cap is close to 1 billion. So guys, that's why I was telling you the previous days, this is the last time that you see Kaspa under 5 cents and under 1 billion market cap. Just do DCA to be in, and whatever is gonna happen, if it's gonna drop more, you're gonna buy more heavier. But if the trend will go and price will pump, you won't miss this huge discount that is happening right now. Okay, Kaspa back to the 0.041, 42 cents area. Anyway, keep doing your DCA. If we will drop, you will buy more. If we won't, you will be happy because you will buy in all these positions. And let's get straight into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, guys, here the hash rate right now is 50.6 petahash per second, and the highest hash rate is the same the last 4 days, 51.90 petahash per second. But today it seems that is moving very, very aggressively to reach new 88s. So let's see if today, a couple hours later, we will see a new all-time high from a hash rate perspective. That's gonna be very, very interesting. But now or later, guys, the hash rate, obviously the next coming weeks, months, will be above 100 petahash per second because a new batch of ASICs is coming. So fasten your seatbelts. Hash rate will be increased a lot, and that's gonna be bullish because miners will have to keep their Kaspa coins and wait for price appreciation to be profitable because the fast and rapid emission schedule, and also we will have more protection into the Kaspa network, more miners, more computational power, more healthy network, ideal for bigger adoption. And guys, from the categories, as you can clearly see, all categories are in accumulation. We lost one handback. And guys, obviously, as I have told you, these categories don't rely that much to each other because obviously someone who has like above 100 million won't have this 100 million in one wallet. Obviously, these guys maybe can have like 10 different wallets, 10 million in each wallet. So that's why you don't see big number in the handbag category, because the majority of people split out their Kaspa bags. And this is something that you can do too. Okay, if you are like, if you have serious Kaspa coins above 1 million, I recommend you to split it out into 2 or 3 cold storages. It's gonna be safer for you if something gonna get wrong. Okay, and as you can clearly notice here, we have lots of addresses that are about to flip to handbags. Okay, you can clearly see above 90 million Kaspa coins are very close wallets to become handbags from whales. And guys, from the top 10 addresses, as you can clearly see, KuCoin remains at 770 million Kaspa coins, number 1. Get.io at 736 million Kaspa coins. Get.io, as I told you yesterday, is in huge accumulation. Okay, before 2 months, Get.io was at 400 million. Right now is in the top 2 address. And I believe they are trying to become Aquaman, something that's gonna set Get.io very profitable by 2025. Okay, and as you can clearly see, Mix is still selling. And guys, for those who don't know, I speak for Mixi every day, but you will see suddenly Mixi to become again in the top 1 address. Okay, they're gonna buy suddenly huge amount of Kaspa. Some people say that they're just transferring Kaspa in other wallets, but I believe they are doing swing trades. Okay, I have told you that they're buying the bottom and they're selling the top. This is something that they do for months, not only this time. Anyway, let's move from the technical side, because here is the interesting part of today's video. As you can clearly see, guys, Kaspa, it seems it bounced from this huge support, something that I told you is very hard to break. Okay, I warned you for that this support is very hard to break. And personally, I couldn't see Kaspa under 4 cents if Bitcoin would remain above $27,000. So I told you the only way to see Kaspa under 4 cents is to see a huge drop under $25,000. And I was speaking for $24,000, $23,000, $22,000, prices like that. Only this way I could see Kaspa breakout, okay, this huge uptrend support that is forming Kaspa from the early days of June. Okay, we are speaking for huge uptrend movement. And only in this case, as I told you, I could see Kaspa into a drop, and that drop would lead Kaspa, according to my approach, obviously, into 200 daily moving average. I was expecting, if we would break this huge support, to get straight into the second support, the second strongest support, which is the 200 daily moving average. But this scenario didn't play out because Bitcoin pumped to the upside. As you can clearly see, yesterday I also showed you the Bitcoin chart, and I told you that this $26,800 support is very, very strong to break, but also in this current situation, Bitcoin is moving into a higher high. You can clearly see that it's an uptrend movement. That's why I told you Bitcoin has very big probabilities to bounce from this support and get straight to retest this 200 daily moving average. And guys, if this is gonna break with daily confirmation, and I mean to see this daily candle closing above this 200 daily moving average, guys, that's gonna be very bullish because as you can clearly see in every kind of pump, okay, this is an estimation, don't rely that much in the numbers, but it's an estimation that Bitcoin is pumping approximately 10% on this current uptrend. So let's say that this kind of pump can be from 8% up to 13% and continue like the uptrend movement as it's supposed to happen from the technical side. So we are speaking for price targets from $29,000 up to $30,000. Okay, $29,000 within $30,000. So that's gonna be very bullish. Okay, that's gonna be very bullish if Bitcoin will go to 29 within $30,000. Obviously will drive the Kaspa price up and also the rest crypto market up. I believe in that case Kaspa will be back to 5 cents, and especially if we will see any exchange listing at that time, Kaspa guys will go straight like to 6 cents within 0.075 cents. I believe if the exchange listing will be good, like big exchange, very famous exchange, and also Bitcoin at that time will be at $30,000, $29,000, $30,000, I can see easy Kaspa to skyrocket up to that level. 0.07 cents, 0.075 cents, prices like that. Okay, it's gonna be astonishing, and mark my words, I highly believe that this scenario can play out very, very soon. Kaspa has very big adoption. Right now we have more eyes around Kaspa. More YouTubers know about Kaspa. If they have good idea or bad idea around Kaspa, they know Kaspa, and that's something that can bring even more eyes and even more adoption, because some people investigate deep and they decide if it's good or bad. But in reality, if you are not closed mind and you are open mind guy, you're gonna realize that Kaspa technology has no second best, okay, in the crypto space. Kaspa is the perfect Bitcoin. You cannot say bad things around Kaspa because it's like you are saying bad things around Bitcoin, because Kaspa has the main principles of Bitcoin, the main fundamentals of Bitcoin. So as you understand, there is no second best technology as Kaspa. So yes, we will see how Bitcoin will react, and if Bitcoin will react very positive, I believe Kaspa will continue this huge pump, huge rally to the upside. So let's see, let's stay optimistic and let's see what's gonna happen. But obviously guys, if it's gonna drop, it's still best for us because we know where Kaspa will go. And if it's not gonna pump because Bitcoin will drop, guys, definitely we will buy more. Okay, this gives us more space to buy more Kaspa with less expensive price, something that is ideal for our accumulation. So even if it's gonna pump or even if it's gonna dump, it's both good for us. Anyway, that's from the technical side, and let's go guys straight into the topic of the video. 100,000 Kaspa coins set you in the elite tier. And what does it mean? It means guys that this is the minimum number that you need to actually see life-changing results by 2025. Okay, obviously if you have less, that's not bad. Obviously everyone reads the amount of Kaspa according to his pocket. Okay, someone maybe cannot buy more than that, especially right now. To reach 100,000 Kaspa coins is quite expensive according to the prices that I was buying. As you can clearly see, I was buying Kaspa when it was at 0.015 cents, and to buy 100,000 Kaspa coins in that period, it was only $1,500. I remember myself was DCAing 100,000 Kaspa coins with $1,500. So as you understand, this is something that right now is more expensive, and if you leave it for later, it's gonna be even more expensive. Okay, if actually right now Kaspa will double and Kaspa will go what, 8 cents, 9 cents, To buy 100,000 Kaspa coins, you will need $9,000. That's why I say to you that 100,000 Kaspa coins right now will set you in the elite tier. Because when Kaspa will be at $1, $2, $5, and as you know, I expect a lot to see Kaspa $10 as a conservative price prediction, and I can see even more than that because I'm expecting to see like $10 trillion to come into the crypto space. So I believe easy Kaspa, that case, can reach 300 billion within 500 billion, something that can lead the Kaspa price close to $20 or even above that. In that case, to buy 100,000 Kaspa coins, guys, it's gonna be like only for the rich guys, only for the millionaires, multimillionaires. It's gonna be very expensive. Okay, that's gonna be life-changing results. Like 100,000 Kaspa coins, when Kaspa price will be $10, it's gonna be 1 million. It's crazy. Okay, that's crazy. It's $1 million to buy just 100,000 Kaspa coins. And that's why I say to you that this is only the beginning. Because if you don't focus in the 2025 and you focus in 2029, where I believe that Kaspa can be easy in the top 3, okay, top 3, something that we are speaking for, that we can see Kaspa at that time with even more growth in the crypto in general, even more growth in the crypto adoption in general. That means that if we're gonna see in 2025 like 10 trillion, maybe in 2029 we will see 15 trillion in the market, 20 trillion in the market. That can set, guys, Kaspa straight into $1 trillion asset. That's why if you right now got like 100,000 Kaspa coins, you will be in the elite tier. You're gonna make unprecedented money. You're gonna make like life-changing generational wealth money if you are willing to hold for years, okay? But also for the 2025 with 100,000 Kaspa coins, you can make life-changing results. Okay, if you are willing to hold. That's why I say the best method to build serious wealth, buy Kaspa and hold. DCA Kaspa, no matter the price, if you don't know to do that. But if you would like the guidance, I would highly recommend you to enter in WealthNET. You're gonna get helped a lot, and you're gonna learn when to buy and how to do the DCA properly. And guys, all you need, the number one ingredient that you will need to actually build wealth, serious wealth, is to have or build patience. Okay, this is the best ingredient to actually build serious wealth. You need to buy an early asset. Right now we are very early in Kaspa. Kaspa is top 2 project in the future, and it's all a matter of time. You need to learn to wait. Okay, if you build this patience, guys, you're gonna be rewarded for that. It's like you are buying Bitcoin early. It's like buying Ethereum early. So try to focus to buy 100,000 Kaspa coins, and even if you have less than that, like 50,000 Kaspa coins, 60,000 Kaspa coins, it's not bad bag. Okay, but focused at 100,000 Kaspa coins if you're looking for life-changing results even by 2025. But even if you have less, as I told you, 50,000, 60,000 Kaspa coins, guys, you will make astonishing profits. Okay, obviously you will make astonishing profits, but it's gonna be like from $100,000 up to $500,000. Okay. So in some countries that can be like astonishing money. Okay, you can live like, in some countries it can be like generational wealth. So it's different for everyone, but I highly recommend you, if you can reach that amount, 100,000 Kaspa coins, I recommend you to go for that number, because if you have less than that, you should actually focus more in the 2029, not in 2025. But for now, if you're looking to be in the elite tier, try to actually accumulate this amount. It's gonna be life-changing, okay? Life-changing results. And this is exactly, guys, what I would like to tell you, because this is a question that I get asked a lot. What's the minimum number that I must have to see the best gains by 2025? And guys, this is the answer: 100,000 Kaspa coins. This is the minimum that you should have if you are looking for unprecedented results, okay? Results that can change your life. This is exactly the minimum number. But obviously, we are speaking for millions, at this point. Okay, if you have less than that, you're gonna still make astonishing profits, even with 50,000 Kaspa coins. If Kaspa will go to like $10, guys, with 50,000 Kaspa, you can have a 500,000. It's not bad at all. Okay, right now you can buy that bag like with $2,500 and you can have like a 500,000 by 2025. It's not that bad. Okay, do not be greedy. If you don't have that much money, don't accept to be like a multimillionaire so fast. Okay, it's all about how much you invest early, how much you are willing to take the risk early, and how much you are waiting. These skills actually will reward you. So that's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. And on this point, I would like to reply the most common question that I get asked a lot. Chris, where you store your Kaspa? Guys, I store my Kaspa in a cold storage. This is the safest way to store your Kaspa, and the cold storage of my preference is Tangem Wallet, and with the discount code CryptoChris, you're gonna get benefit with 10% off as a discount. So click the link, and as you can clearly see, we have nowadays the Kaspa wallet powered by Tangem, a collaboration that you can get, guys, your cold storage, your Tangem wallet branded with Kaspa, ideal for Kaspa investors. So press order now, use the CryptoChris code, and you're gonna have your card. Okay, this is a limited edition, so if you would like to have this cold storage branded with Kaspa, hurry, because this is gonna last like for a few days, not for all the time. So grab it now, and you're gonna have this very cool card. And if you need help for your crypto investing journey, this is the WealthNET, guys. This is where we buy and we give the signals. This is where we hang out with elite guys that know what they're doing. And in WealthNET, guys, you will learn from very experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field. This is why WealthNET group designed, okay, to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. You will see everything here: buy signals, sell signals, to my crypto portfolio, and also you're gonna hang out with very elite guys, crypto millionaires, crypto experts, crypto YouTubers, business owners, whatever you can imagine. Inside of WealthNET, here it's like-minded community of elite investors. So as you can clearly see, the spots for these prices are very limited. The spots are closing day by day. 6 spots left to lock these prices forever before the prices will be increased even more. The demand is very high, so grab your position before the prices will be increased. And very soon we will start the exclusive private live streams. And if you are looking for more benefits annually and lifetime, you can send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction about yourself if you are looking for extra benefits. So if you think that fits for you and you are looking for a group of people like you, enter now, because you're gonna get help and you avoid very, very big mistakes that can set you broke by 2025 instead of wealthy. So that's the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see ya all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.